little explorers! I'm Teacher Rexy, and welcome to our jungle classroom.
Let's learn together. Repeat after me. A. A for apple.
Great job!
Look, class, the letter B. B is for...
Ball!
Great job, little explorers!
Look, class. The letter C. C is for...
Cat!
Great job, little explorers. Look, class. The letter D.
D is for
Dot.
dog!
Great job, little explorers. Look, class. The letter E. E is for...
A!
Great job, little explorers.
Look, class, the letter F. F is for...
Fish!
Great job, little explorers!
Look, class. The letter G.
G is for goat!
Great job, little explorers. Look, class. The letter H. H is for...
Hat!
Great job, little explorers.
Look, class, the letter I. I is for...
I glue!
Great job, little explorers! Look, class, the letter J.
J is for jellyfish!
Great job, little explorers! Look, class, the letter K. K is for kite. Great job, little explorers! Look, class, the letter L. L is for lion. Great job, little explorers!
Look, class. The letter M. M is for...
Monkey!
Great job, little explorers. Look, class. The letter N. N is for...
Nest!
Great job, little explorers. Look, class. The letter O. O is for...
Owl!
Great job, little explorers. Look, class. The letter P.
P is for penguin!
Great job, little explorers.
Look, class, the letter Q. Q is for...
Queen!
Great job, little explorers! Look, class, the letter R. R is for... Great job, little explorers!
Look, class. The letter S.
S is for sun!
Great job, little explorers.
Look, class, the letter T. T is for...
Train!
Great job, little explorers!
Look, class. The letter U.
U is for umbrella!
Great job, little explorers. Look, class. The letter V. V is for...
Van!
Great job, little explorers. Look, class. The letter W. W is for...
Whale!
Great job, little explorers.
Look, class, the letter X. X is for...
Xylophone!
Great job, little explorers!
Look, class. The letter Y. Y is for... Yo-yo! Great job, little explorers.
Look, class. The letter Z. Z is for...
Zebra!
Great job, little explorers!